Hello traders, happy Saturday. My name is Jonathan, I'm the owner of SysFX, and in today's video we're going to recap the entire month of July utilizing the trading journal that I use every single day to keep track of my trades. Let's get started. Alright guys, so here we are. This is my trading journal. Please make sure to look in the link in the description so you can grab yourself a copy of this trading journal to track your record to make sure that you become a profitable trader, because you need this to be able to track your losses and your wins so you can learn from your losses and reinforce the right things that you did. So for me, on the beginning of the month, I took 3 trades in the first week. They were all wins. 1% was one on the first one, 2% on the second one, and 2% on the third trade. So I profited a total of 5% that week. Now coming to the next week, I break even on the first trade. It was a loss on the second trade, but I only lose negative 1% on every single loss, guys, because you got to keep your losses small and your wins big, so you can actually survive in this game and keep going and actually become profitable and make some money. So the first loss, we'll go over it. Now, if you don't already know, my trading plan is simple. I literally mark up on the 4 hour, the support and resistance, and then I move down to the 1 hour support and resistance. I draw my zones there, and then I wait for the break and retests. So once it retests, I wait for rejection, then I enter. AUD JPY was ranging. That was probably the first mistake I made. I should have waited for a trending market because it's a lot easier to win. You have a higher probability of winning using my trading system if it's a trending market. So as you can see here, it was support. It was resistance, it broke through, and then it touched as support again, and I saw the rejection, so I decided to enter. But as you already know, it's already red. This is my exit image. So I click on it, and it actually kissed my stop loss, and it went straight to profit. So was I wrong? Technically, I was not wrong because it did go towards profit, but my stop loss was too tight. It happens. There's nothing you can do about it. This is why we manage our risk. Now the next one, it was actually a losing week. Actually, it was break even because I risked. It was a lost 1%, won 3, and then I lost the next 2, which put me at break even. So technically, I didn't lose any money that week, even though I lost 3 times. So the second loss was AUD USD, and this is what it looks like. It went with my plan exactly. This is the 1 hour chart. It was support. It broke through and it retested. Now with this one, looking at it now, there's no rejection, even though it looks like it was rejecting. As you already know, the exit image was definitely lost. So my mistake was I didn't see enough rejection on there, and now I know for next time. So this is what I do. When I see the mistake I made, I put down here and I say, I didn't wait for rejection. Now the reason I put that, guys, is to remind myself to not make that mistake again. So the next loss was Gbp Cad. It looks exactly, it fits my trading plan exactly. So the support here, it broke through and it rejected. Now obviously it's supposed to go down, but as you know already, the Forex market is unpredictable. Even though it matches all your entry criteria, you enter without doubt, you can still lose the trade. And let me show you how I lost it. It literally kissed my stop loss, went up, and then went straight down to take profit. Again, my stop loss was too tight. It does happen. But again, this is why we manage our risk. Only 2 trades I took this week, but I lost one, or won one. I lost 1%, but the other one was a 2% gain, meaning I actually was positive 1% for the week, which is important to have a 1-to-2 risk ratio, guys, because even though you lost one and you won one, only took 2 trades, you still managed to profit 1%. So let's see this loss, AUD JPY. Wow, I can already see I did not wait for the break and retest, so that's probably why I lost. So let's go look at the exit image. And obviously I was just wanting to make a quick buck, and I failed miserably and didn't follow my trading rules. So even now, as a profitable trader, I still make mistakes. Okay, so only 2 trades this last week. We're on to the final week for this month of July. And funny story about this one, I didn't take any trades the entire week. No trades Monday, no trades Tuesday, no trades Wednesday. Finally, I was patient enough and I waited for my trading setup to occur, and it happened on Thursday. And both of these happened at the exact same time, and I can't wait to show you. So AUD USD entry image looked like so. So it was coming up a big rally. It resisted, bounced down, broke through, and then it was rejecting, as you can see there. And as simple as it is, exit image, it literally barely touched my take profit. It took me out of the trade, and I remember waking up to profits, which was beautiful because I made money while I was sleeping. So this is the great part about setting targets and forgetting about it. Now the same thing with GBP USD. You click on the entry image, the exact same entry criteria. It was resisting and it broke through, and now was rejecting from the other way, meaning it was going to continue up. The exit image, the exact same. It barely kissed the take profit, and again, this happened overnight while I was sleeping.
That's all I have for you guys today. Make sure to like, follow, and subscribe if you liked the video, and thanks for watching.